In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of updating your egg or data of birth on TikTok. Make sure to stick around until the end to avoid any missteps. Don't forget to show your support by linking this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. To begin, launch the TikTok application and navigate to your profile. Your data or birth is typically set during the account registration process and cannot be altered within the app itself. However, there's a workaround. Follow the steps. Tap the three lines icon, then select Setting and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report a problem. Choose Account and Profile. Select Editing Profile, then Other. Tap Need More Help. At this point, you'll need to submit a support ticket. Describe your issue. For instance, if you entered the wrong birthday during registering, you may be asked to provide proof of your real birthday, such as a photo of your ID. After attaching any necessary documents, hit Submit to send your request. Allow some time for processing. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker solution, you can create a new TikTok account. Simple tap your profile icon, then add account, follow the sync up process, and your new account will be added to the list. TikTok allows multiple account usage, making it convenient to switch between them. And there you have it. Now you equip it with knowledge to effortlessly update your egg in TikTok.